How to change mobile number in Emirates ID. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your mobile number in Emirates ID. So first of all, just go to your ICA Smart Service website, and after that just enter the information requested by the form, like your current nationality and identity number, family book number, passport number, your name, your date of birth and your email address. And after that just enter your Emirates ID and change the mobile number with the new one. You can change any service like changing your address, changing your nationality. You can also change your gender and other things as well. And once you have entered your personal details in the form, you can check the current number they have linked to your Emirates ID. And after that, they will proceed the payment to change mobile number fees. It will take some amount of money to get this done. And after that, finally, a payment gateway should appear where you can enter your card details and process will be completed. So this is how you will be able to change your mobile number in Emirates ID. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.